9 to 5, put the work in. Flaws and all, I love them all. Don't be a perfect. Baby girl, you got it, girl. You got it, girl. You got it, girl. You got it, girl. 'Cause I don't want.
Hey guys, as you can tell from the title, I'll be showing you guys how to apply highlighter to your face after a full face application. You just take the highlighter of your choice. I have just a highlighter, y'all. I'm not even gonna describe it because I don't even know. It's like labelless at this point, but it's so good. And I apply it right over my blush. And I go real lightly. I like to use the eyeshadow brush because it's more controlled. It gives me more control. I love to apply it on the tip of my nose. I love to apply it down the bridge of my nose. As you can tell, I already have it in the inner corners of my eyes. And right above my lip. It is just that, it's always. And a little bit on my chin. Just to even it out. Now, if I'm really, really feeling risky, I'm going to do it like a sprinkle a little bit all over my face. But for the most part, that's it. And that's the last step before I apply setting spray. So now I'm just going to let all of this melt in together. That's it. I just wanted to show you guys how I apply highlighter into what areas and the tool that I use. If you guys have any questions, please leave them below in the comments. Make sure you're following your girl so that you can see more videos like this. It's your girl, Riri from Texas. I will catch you in my next video.